crane lifting, their hidden danger. Handling materials is one of the biggest challenges in any company. And cranes play a very important role in that process. But let's be clear. A crane can also be a very dangerous animal. Accidents with cranes, compared to other equipment, are very frequent and very serious. Teamwork and signals. The crane operator sits high up in the cab. He has a good view, but he depends on the men on the ground. They are his eyes at floor level. Because of noise and distance, communication cannot be done with words. It depends completely on hand signals. That's why signals must be clear and correct. If your company has an official code, use it. If not, follow the internal safety regulations. Rules to prevent accidents. Let's remember the fundamental rules. Hand signals must be clear and correct. The man on the ground is responsible for the condition of slings, chains, and hooks. Always respect the crane's capacity and the strength of the sling. Make sure the crane trolley is centered before lifting to avoid swinging. If the crane moves without load, chains and slings must be tied so they don't hit workers. Everyone must stay out of reach of the load when it is being lifted. Never make last-second adjustments once the signal to lift has been given. Never ride their hooks or slings. Stay away from loads lifted with magnets. Check that the switch is off before hooking or unhooking. Never argue with the operator. You must work together as one team. The two most dangerous mistakes. We must highlight two errors that have already caused accidents. Wrong or unclear hand signals. Last-second adjustments to hooks and slings. If you put your hands near the hook after giving the signal to lift, you are challenging fate. And in that challenge, you will lose sooner or later.